Sir, first reactions to the Fed rate hike that has happened?
It was widely expected. I think much more importantly than the 25 basis points, which of course, the markets have signaled with a lot of enthusiasm, is really what is going to happen going forward. The expectation widely right now is that in 2016 we'll see 4 rate hikes. We'll get up to 100 basis points. That in itself is going to be data driven. I think the Fed is going to watch employment numbers. It's going to watch economic indicators in the US very carefully, as of course we will also. And they will certainly try and understand in terms of global markets what the response is and what the reaction is. I think the most important spillover effect is certainly going to be on currencies, because as you know, the dollar has been strengthening quite appreciably against all other currencies, certainly against the rupee as well. That engenders in itself a certain set of implications which we will have to think about. And with the commodities being where they are right now, how this whole set of factors plays out is really going to be what's interesting in 2016. So let's see. Again, as far as India is concerned, as we have been saying all along, our responsibility is to really ensure that we have a fortress balance sheet, that we are very, very sound in terms of our fiscal management, which of course we are following. So we are well prepared. Of course, India remains a bright spot. You see the green shoots now. Green shoots picking up across the economy as well. And so in that sense, we are very well positioned for whatever the Fed does.
Sir, my question to you is regarding, you mentioned that India needs to of course take into account the future rate hikes as and when they happen. Sir, but the 4 rate hikes that the Fed has indicated, has the markets priced that in, or do you think that could be a lot given that emerging markets and emerging economies like India do stand to get impacted?
No, markets have priced in the 25 basis points a long time ago. The reason why I think markets have rallied around the world is because what the Fed has signaled in terms of the rate in which rates will rise going forward, a very gradual data-driven approach, maybe up to another 100 basis points, with the possibility that it could be put on pause depending on what market conditions tell us. So it is this fairly dovish signaling that's come from the Fed, which is why the markets have rallied. And I think what the Fed is doing in a very responsible way is very clearly indicating the trajectory, and that gives us all a chance to be fully prepared.
Sir, would the government resort to any monetary tools if there was a capital flight that were to take place in the event that as and when the other rate hikes that happen, would the government resort to those monetary
tools? No, that's all purely speculation. As I've said all along, the most important thing for us is to have a fortress balance sheet, demonstrate sound fiscal management, really good economic policies, and if Parliament were to work, we would be not just be a bright spot, we would be the brightest spot.
So last question to you regarding the currency. Of course, when the dollar strengthens, rupee weakness is bound to happen. We will see that in the short term as well. Do you see that the currency weakness playing out over a medium term as well, or do you think an intervention would probably be required to bolster the rupee?
The Indian rupee actually is quite stable and doing quite well if you look at the weighted basket of currencies which are our major trading partners. So I think the rupee is doing quite well, and then of course we'll have to see as and when volatility comes along as to what instruments we can use. We've used them in the past. We know exactly what we would need to do under those circumstances.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/ETNow, and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at ETNowLive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/ETNow.